Okay, so I wanted to come today to learn more about. I wanted to want to have sex more. So I have sex with my husband traditionally, historically, probably more times than not because he wants it. And I wanted to want it more. And so I've been working on that throughout our whole marriage, and it's gotten better, but I've dabbled in Laura's books here and there and listened to her interviews on the news and things like that. And so I just wanted a deeper dive into her tools. And I love how she teaches that it all starts in your mind. Because I really believe in that your thoughts cause your feelings that drive your actions. And so as we're learning to de-junk our brains, that helps us with everything else.
How did you first hear about Laura?
I think someone gave me her book when I got married,
and they were not ashamed.
Yeah, and they were not ashamed. I've had in my closet, on my shelf, our whole marriage, and so I've sort of referenced it a little bit here and there. And then at an Interfaith Women's Conference, she did a breakout group. So that was probably the first time I saw her in person and learned about the teams. I have her audiobook on Audible, and so
isn't it awesome to hear her voice? Yeah.
It's like being here in the workshop at home all the time. So it's fun.
Okay.